At BMW, we've always believed that driving is all about you, the driver. So 24 years ago, we created BMW iDrive and designed new standards for driver orientation that have continuously evolved, all for creating a truly smarter drive. Today, we reimagined the cockpit from scratch, placing comfort and control in your hands, turning the center stage toward you and delivering the right information, the right time, in the right place, formed purely around you. Created to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Reinventing driver orientation with the first ever BMW Panoramic iDrive.
Here, in the ideal position for the driver, you will find your personal and most used functions. You can easily navigate between different widgets by swiping vertically. And with a horizontal swipe, you can get access to further, more detailed information within a specific widget. Our state-of-the-art map, which is most important for our customers, is always visible in the background and provides a clear orientation. At the bottom, you will find our menu bar, which offers direct access to the most used features like climate control or infotainment. And of course, in the center there, the home button. Now, let's move on to the BMW Panoramic Vision display. This will be the key element for our iDrive generation in all our upcoming Neue Klasse models. It uses the whole width of the windscreen and will be visible for all passengers. Perfectly positioned in the direct field of vision, it supports the driver in the best possible way. We have focused on a very clean design for easy and quick readability. The floating tile on the left focuses on driving assistance functions. The right tile shows important information like battery state and range. But the most important information for the driver, for example, speed or driving status, is shown right at the center. Now, this arrangement allows you to quickly check all the information you need as a driver without any distractions, keeping the hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. The new digital abilities of our cars will not only make them more intelligent and easier to use, but will also allow for much more personalization. I can't wait for all of you to try it for yourselves.
Like in Vegas, you will have a multitude of options. So let's start the journey. With a simple step on the brake, we are ready to go. For the ready to drive moment, we created the new live vehicle panel, an overlay central display that quickly and easily shows you if you're everything to set to go at the beginning of every drive. I wanted to tell you about an emotional highlight, our BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, which is by far more than a simple voice assistant. Introducing large language model for navigation will be our first step towards enabling a truly natural and valuable interaction for our customers. So where would we drive to? Let's ask our assistant. Hey BMW, take me to the best rated beach nearby.
Got it. Getting directions to Sunset Beach.
So let's check how iDrive helps our customers while driving. On the right-hand side, behind the steering wheel, you can see upcoming turns. You can see, and in the middle of the panoramic vision, you will get additional information on lane, exit sides, and junction. In the BMW 3D head-up display, you see the key information for the immediate driving situation, slightly adaptive perspective and zoom. In the central display, there's our beautiful rendered 3D maps right at hand. With our customer-centric SciTech approach, we create a new and even easier interaction with our steering wheel. If a function becomes available, it will appear, as you can see here, with a white icon. The driving assistant system are available. Let's turn the driving assistant on. After pushing the button, the green illumination tells me what this is active. We show the driver what they need at the right time. Navigation and driving assistance are combined for the first time in one 3D view in the new 3D head-up display. Now, what about switching to a different driving mode? If you want the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant to approach you actively and make a suggestion, let's go on a road outside the city to experience another side of joy. Hey BMW, yes, activate sports mode.
Activating sport mode. Ready to roll.
Well, thank you, Stefan. I like sport mode. And as you just saw, sport mode can be easily activated by one command or touch. It will change a number of settings in the car to allow for a more dynamic driving experience. But we believe that sporty driving is about much more than just a few settings. It is a truly holistic experience, a combination of sound, light, and a more vibrant interface design like you just saw. At the same time, the panoramic vision shows you more detailed driver information that you can toggle through just by using the right-hand spoke of your steering wheel. Now, in addition to the sport, efficient, and silent My modes, we are introducing a new personal mode. In this mode, you can completely customize your driving settings, as well as the look and feel of your user interface, to make your personal mode truly yours. In order to do that, you can now not only customize interior lighting, but all of the interfaces simultaneously. And of course, you will also be able to select your personal picture as a background. Now, for us, it was important to create an empowering interface that surprises with a more personal touch, providing ultimate flexibility to express your individuality and making you feel right at home. In addition, we will continuously update our digital products, ensuring lifelong freshness and to make them smarter day by day. This also gives us the opportunity to surprise our customers again and again. Now, let's all have a look at what BMW Panoramic iDrive could have in store for you. Thank you.